Lost your car key fob? Here are your main options. First, dealerships offer guaranteed compatibility, but are the most expensive. Expect to pay $250 to $600 on average, but this can climb higher for luxury vehicles. Locksmiths and third-party services are cheaper, but ensure they have the expertise for your car's make and model. Online retailers like Amazon sell OEM equivalent fobs for $50 to $200, a cost-effective option. Finally, DIY kits exist, allowing programming at home if you're tech-savvy. Costs vary wildly, from $100 for a basic fob to over $1,000 for advanced models. Programming adds another $50 to $150 if you can't do it yourself. Programming syncs the fob to your car's computer. Some cars allow DIY programming using onboard diagnostic tools or smartphone apps, especially post-2020 models. Other systems require dealer equipment. Modern fobs use rolling codes to prevent theft. When choosing a replacement, match the fob to your car's make, model, and year using your VIN, or consult a professional. Incorrect fobs can void warranties or trigger anti-theft systems. For newer vehicles, explore smartphone-based options like Apple Car Key or Google's Digital Car Key, which might eliminate the need for a physical fob.